Hi everyone, it's July 27th and I'm in the garden and I thought we could do a little tour. Potatoes are almost about to be harvested. I'm very excited to kind of see what's down here. I'll give you a sneak peek, see if I can find one. Oh, there's a tiny one. Oh! Oh. Oh my gosh, drama on the streets. Anyway, so yeah, potatoes are gonna come up soon. Peppers have recovered better. They're still in a medium-sized state, but they do look much, much healthier than they were before. And you can see there is some fruit growing. Nothing on the jalapenos yet. Here's the lychee tomato. Still hoping that they'll ripen soon. Until then, they're just prickly and annoying. Tomatoes. I've got fruit happening. It's exciting. Lots of these striped ones. And then a ton of these cherry tomatoes. I love these long stems. I mean, this one over here is ridiculous. Full of fruit. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, the tomatoes continue all the way to the end. Here we've got onions. They're starting to bloom. Just the red ones have been blooming. The white ones have stayed pretty good the whole time and are nice and bulbous. Let's see if I can get a good shot of a really big one. Let's get a thick tomato over here. I mean, onion. I mean, look at that. That's pretty big. Pretty big and bulbous. This is chard. I don't know how to cook it, so it's just been growing. My marigolds are doing really well. I love all the different colors. These are beautiful and nice and bushy. The other ones are tall, but I mean, some really radiant oranges there. And orange and yellow over there. Got some beans and beet seeds just popping up. The walking stick kale is nice and bushy. These beans are a complete disappointment. Will not be planting them again. My cucumbers, well, I got some cukes going. So I'm excited. Cucumbers tend to mature really quickly. So that'll be awesome when it comes along. Berries are doing well. Still have some blueberries that I should harvest. Under there are the huckleberries. The heat and the sun was just getting too much. So I couldn't help it. I couldn't stand it any longer. And I needed to protect them. Beans are doing great. We've got lots to pick. I just haven't done it yet. And kale, way up at the front, plenty of it. It's all fine. Roses are at the end of their blooming season. Still, they've gotten a few clusters on each plant. Zinnias are doing great. I just love all the colors. So cool. And the textures of the little florets. Dahlias are kind of slow going, but we have had a couple blossoms on this red dahlia here. Another one there, another one there. We'll see. Chamomile is doing so well. I even picked a bunch and it grew back. So that's cool. Toothache plant, I tried for the first time and it's pretty wild. So I'll have to do a video about that. Raspberries are done for the season. These daisies are cute. And we got grapes happening. Yum, yum. So that's that. I think I covered everything. Hope that you all have a beautiful evening.